Hey guys, it's Joe with Retro Manufacturing, coming to you today with something really exciting. This is our new Motor 4 HD radio motor. The Motor 4 HD adds crystal clear HD radio broadcasts to your classic car or truck. You'll receive more local radio stations with high quality digital audio and no subscriptions needed. The Motor 4 HD is compatible with all RetroSound Radio faces, except for the Apache, making HD radio technology available for thousands of makes and models. In addition to high quality digital broadcasts, the Motor 4 HD features an AM/FM RDS tuner, 30 presets to save your favorite stations, a built-in 300 watt amplifier that outputs 25 watts RMS over 4 channels, providing plenty of power to a 4-speaker system. It also has built-in Bluetooth for music streaming and hands-free calls, made for iPhone, iPod functionality, and an adjustable 32,000 color display so you can match your gauge color. On the rear of the unit, you'll find the SiriusXM connection, 2 USB ports, dual RCA pre-outs, the antenna connection, and the microphone and auxiliary input, as well as the input for the wiring harness that has the speaker connections and subwoofer output. The Motor 4 HD is also the only classic car stereo that's SiriusXM ready, connecting to an SXV300 vehicle tuner for direct integration of SiriusXM satellite radio. The Motor 4 HD is available now at retromanufacturing.com.